DEPIN, an exciting thing happening at the intersection of crypto and the real world. DEPIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. It's a new way of building and maintaining physical infrastructure like wireless networks, data storage, or even energy grids without the need for a single company or government to own and operate it all. Instead, it harnesses the power of blockchain technology and crypto incentives to get everyone working together. Think of it like a decentralized Uber or Airbnb for infrastructure. Instead of a few large companies owning all the cars or all the properties, individuals can contribute their own resources like a spare room or an electric vehicle and get paid for it. But in the case of DEPIN, it's your Wi-Fi router, a server, a sensor, or even a solar panel that you can connect to the network and earn crypto for your contribution. Now let me explain how this works with a simple example. Imagine you're in a neighborhood and there's no good place to get Wi-Fi. You want to go to the local coffee shop, but their internet is so slow it's unusable. Now imagine there was a DEPIN project in this town that was building a decentralized wireless network. Instead of going to one big telecom company to get internet for the town, this project is getting all the residents involved. Here's how it would work. You could install a Wi-Fi router in your home and connect it to the decentralized network. In return, you would receive tokens from the project for every person who uses your Wi-Fi hotspot. So you get rewarded for sharing your internet connection. Then other people in your neighborhood could use your Wi-Fi, and they would also earn tokens from the project for using the network. So everybody benefits and the whole town gets better internet without having to rely on a single company. That's just one example, but there are a lot of interesting things happening in the world of DEPIN. Another project, for example, is doing something similar with data storage. Instead of paying a huge corporation to store your data, you can rent out your unused hard drive space directly to the network, and in return, you get paid for the storage you provide. Other projects are doing things like decentralized mapping or autonomous vehicle technology. Now you might be wondering, why do we need DEPIN? Why not just leave infrastructure up to the big companies? Well, there are a lot of problems with the current system. For one, when a small group of companies controls most of the infrastructure, it can be expensive for consumers. Without competition, these companies can charge high prices, and consumers don't really have a choice but to pay up. Also, a lot of people don't have access to basic infrastructure like fast internet or reliable energy. And finally, the whole system is very centralized. If a central server goes down, the whole network can fail. That's why there's been a lot of interest in building more resilient and decentralized systems that give power back to the people. Now some people think DEPIN is the answer. By using crypto tokens to incentivize people to become part of the network, DEPIN projects aim to create more resilient, transparent, and accessible infrastructure. The idea is that if everyone is working together and earning rewards for their contributions, the network will be more likely to succeed. And it's already happening. There are a number of DEPIN projects in various stages of development. Some are focused on specific use cases like data storage or wireless networking, while others are taking a more general approach. So, what does the future hold for DEPIN? Well, it's still early days, but there is definitely a lot of interest in this space. As more and more people see the potential of decentralized infrastructure, we may see more DEPIN projects emerge. But it won't be easy. There are a lot of challenges to overcome, like how to incentivize people to contribute and how to ensure the security and reliability of the network. But if successful, DEPIN could revolutionize the way we think about infrastructure and give power back to the people. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.